everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Friends Set 41376 and it's Turtles Rescue from 2017 to 2018. And as you can see, you get this beautiful amphibious vehicle with Olivia and her robot Zobo. See, there's Zobo sitting on the side of the vehicle with his scuba gear on, and you get this beautiful island piece with a rock scenery and an unhatched egg, and also two hatched eggs with baby turtles. There are three baby turtles and a mommy turtle, and you also get this beautiful Turtles Rescue Center with a sign that looks like a turtle and the flag. And this is what the Turtles Rescue Center looks like from the inside, with this beautiful beach scenery mock that I made with Lego. I used one of the new blue base plates and quite a bit of the old 1980s to 1990s Lego, and I used a few of the new dark sand pieces as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Please leave a comment in the comment box below. Thank you. Bye.